Hey folks, Adam here. I've got a great device that I can't wait to tell you about. It's called Digibox, D-I-G-I-B-O-X. So what's so fantastic about this incredible device? Well, first off, it's running on Android 12, so you can use all of the apps associated with Android. Now, easy to use and easy to stream your favorite TV, including Netflix, YouTube. I've got my Chrome, all my browsers, all compatible with this. I've even got it to where I can put in a card and I can listen to music, play videos, etc. Now, when you have an Android-powered device like this, you have access to Google's App Store, which means the latest and greatest in technology, and this thing is really fantastic. Now, again, with Android, you can push a little button here and you can talk to Google's Assistant and have them help you do things, whether that's know what time it is, the date, etc., set a timer, all that stuff easily available with a push of the button on your remote control. Now, it's a highly intuitive remote control, straightforward selection and OK, and you're able to run through the menus, push buttons to control your life very easily. Volume, mute, it has a mouse control, complete number pad, of course the assistant button, and everything you need in between. Now, I love the fact that I can hook this up to pretty much any screen, whether it's a portable monitor or my TV screen in the bedroom like we have here, and we can now stream all your shows. That's your HBO Max, that's your Paramount, Peacock, YouTube, Netflix, all available through the App Store. Now, on top of that, Digibox is running some of the fastest processors around, which means there's going to be no lag, no issues, and the Wi-Fi is lightning fast. They even got a good bit of storage in here to where you don't have to worry about running out of storage if you have a ton of apps and a ton of different things going. Now, connects to, there's a contact button right there in case you have questions. You can reach out. There's Bluetooth connection, Wi-Fi as fast as can be, and yeah, I absolutely love this. Now, if you are somebody who wants to browse the internet, well, guess what, folks? You can. And that is a really nice addition as well, that at a push of a button, you can browse the internet. There's so much that you can do and so many apps that you can install. I'm talking lightning fast and easy to use. Now, there's 4 USBs in here, which makes it even more robust. A straightforward HDMI cabling, and that HDMI cabling does come with it, as well as the DC input for power, and we'll go over all of that in the up-close portion of the video as well. But if you're looking for a great place to watch your movies, a great streaming ability with unlimited potential, folks, potential to use any of the tens, if not hundreds of thousands of apps available through Android, well, guess what? This is the choice for you. Easy to use, straightforward, and from a company that stands behind their product. A lot of these companies, they're fly-by-night, they stop working after a week. Not the good folks at Digibox. They've been doing this for a while, and they make high-quality products that you're going to love. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We're showing off the most powerful electronics and devices around, and this thing is a complete winner. All right, folks, if your question is, should you pick it up? The answer is yes. Now stick around with the up-close portion of the video to show you even more. All right, folks, now it's time for our up-close portion of the video. Digibox D3 Plus, 4 gigabytes of RAM, Android 12, 6K Ultra HD, and 64 gigabytes of storage. Yeah, so we're talking about fast ability to stream videos like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and everything in between. So if you're looking for something that's going to be a really game-changing device, this is it. 4 USB, all the encoding you need, HEVC-H265, 100 meter LAN, well, CPU, the Cortex A53, and it's that quad-core GPU. So a fast GPU, that's going to make a difference as well. Android 12, 6K, Wi-Fi 6, and it's an all-winner H618. So Digibox doing it again. A high-quality device. Lightweight, durable, stylish, sophisticated, and pretty chic, my dude. Here is the product itself, the remote control. Straightforward remote control, of course. Up, down, left, right, volume, even microphone. You can talk to it. Home, your full number key, pad, your mute, mouse, additional keys, power, TV, etc. Menu settings, okay, select, etc. They do even give you a nice HDMI cable, and of course the power cable. The instructions should be pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and take a peruse of the box itself. You see there's the sensor. Well, yeah, it does have 4 HDMI and the card slot, or 4 USB and a card slot. HDMI, the sound, the optical, Ethernet, IR, AV, and your DC input. Rubberized feet to keep it from scratching, and there's serial information. So folks, again, high quality company, great company, high quality products, and I'm very excited to show this off time and time again, making high quality things that really can help you stream your Netflix, your Amazon Prime, your HBO Max, your Comedy Central, whatever you may be into watching. You can get it all through Digibox, yeah, Digibox. Ultra 6K, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and of course that great Android 12, which means that you can install all the apps from your Android store. All right, folks, my name is Adam. Elite demonstration, showing off the best of the best. You can get it so you can forget the rest. If your question is, should you pick it up? The answer is a resounding yes. Straightforward, stylish, sophisticated, and chic. All right, folks, I'm Adam. Go check it out. You will not be disappointed. You know I love and appreciate you, and goodbye, my friends. Go pick one up.